Can't download attachments from Gmail. Whether you're trying to save a PDF, document, image, or another file, download problems can usually be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Gmail attachments not downloading in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent attachments from downloading completely. Refresh Gmail and try downloading the file again. Next, open Gmail in another supported browser or use a private or incognito window. Sometimes browser extensions, cached files, or cookies can interfere with downloads. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then temporarily disable browser extensions such as ad blockers or download managers. These can occasionally block Gmail downloads. Make sure your device has enough available storage for the file. Also check whether your antivirus or security software is blocking downloads. Some security programs automatically scan or prevent certain file types. If only one attachment won't download, the problem may be with that specific file. Ask the sender to resend it, or request that they upload it again if the attachment is damaged or incomplete. Finally, update your web browser to the latest version, then sign out of Gmail and sign back in. If you're using the Gmail mobile app, update the app from your device's app store before trying again. And that's how to fix Gmail attachments not downloading in 2026. In most cases, checking your browser, internet connection, storage, and security settings will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.